The pad attaches to your nail gun's safety plunger. The pad cushions the plunger so it doesn't mar your workpiece. It can become brittle over time and break off. Often it is simply lost. Replacing the pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old pad from the nail gun. The pad just simply slides off of the plunger. To install the new pad, I align it with the plunger and press it into place. And that's how simple it is to replace the pad on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.